A very good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are healthy and safe at your home. Children, let's begin our day with a beautiful thought. That is, somewhere inside all of us is the power to change the world. हम सभी के अंदर कहीं ना कहीं इस दुनिया को बदलने की ताकत है. With this positive thought, let's begin the class. Okay, children. So before starting the lesson, first you tell me what is this? Yes, you can give your answer in the comment also. Yes, it is a cake. Or you can say it is a sketch or drawing of a cake. So children, today we will start a new lesson of English Reader book, lesson 3. Name of the lesson is Bake a Cake. Okay, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. So first tell me children, when do we bake a cake और हम केक कब खाते हैं? Of course, when someone or we are having birthday, जब हमारा या फिर किसी का बर्थडे होता है तब केक तो मिलता ही है. Yes or no? Yes. चलिए हम समझते हैं. Today we will know what is there in this lesson. Okay? Because from every lesson we have to learn something new and we are learning it. Okay? So here. It was Mr. Ali's birthday. Whose birthday is there? Mr. Ali. Mr. Ali is a person. We are talking about Mr. Ali's birthday. His daughter Sifa and Nida wished to make it special for him. Yes, on Mr. Ali's birthday, his daughter Sifa and Nida was trying to make something special for him. So what they did? They decided to bake a cake. उन्होंने क्या सोचा? They thought to bake a cake. They pulled out their mother's recipe book. Do you know what is recipe book? It is a book in which methods on how to prepare a dish is written. Okay? And together went through all the cakes recipes. और उन्होंने क्या किया? उनकी मम्मा की रेसिपी बुक ली और दोनों एक साथ सभी केक व्यंजनों के बारे में जानने लगे. There were recipes for chocolate cake, vanilla cake, strawberry cake, carrot cake, walnut cake, and a raisin cake. You all know yesterday I have given one activity on cake and said to make a cake and write 4 to 5 flavors of cake and mention one of the favorite one. I hope you all have enjoyed doing that activity. आप सभी को पसंद आई होगी और आप सभी ने एंजॉय किया होगा. So you can see there are variety of flavors. So you can see there are different types of cake in which there are different flavors like chocolate cake, vanilla, strawberry, carrot, walnut, and a raisin. Since both like the color pink, they decided to bake a strawberry cake. Why do they decided to bake a strawberry cake? As they both liked pink color. Okay? They followed the recipe carefully. Okay. Now they started making cake, so they were following the recipe. Okay? Nida took 4 eggs and beat them well. Sifa took 2 cups of added 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mixed the two. All these are what? All these are ingredients. Ingredients required for making the cake. So they collected all this and mixed 1 teaspoon of baking powder with the flour. Next, she mixed 1 cup of butter and 2 cups of sugar together. To this, Nida added the flour and then the eggs. Then Shifa added a cup of fresh strawberry juice and stirred. Stirred means moving something or move the spoon round and round in order to mix something properly. Okay? To mix it well, Nita chose a heart-shaped cake tin. So if ma'am will ask you what type of tin was chosen, what was the shape of the tin, you will say heart-shaped tin. Okay? Nida chose a heart-shaped cake tin. She poured the mixture into it and put in the oven. After mixing the different ingredients of the cake, what they did? They put it in the oven to bake. 20 minutes later, a delicious aroma. Do you know what is delicious? Yes, tasty, yummy, something tasty or yummy is called delicious, or aroma is for sweet smell. Filled the kitchen. They opened the oven to find the yummy cake. Yummy cake for their loving father. So they were making or baking a cake for their lovely father. Together they decorated it with strawberry jam and cream and set it on a lovely tray. After decorating and baking the cake, what they did? They set it on a lovely tray to make it look more beautiful. They took it to their father and wished him for his birthday. What a perfect way to start the day. So children, now you tell me, how was this story? बहुत अच्छी थी ना? आप सभी को पसंद आई? और चलिए बताइए, आप में से कौन कौन केक बनाना चाहेगा? अभी तो आप सभी को इंग्रेडिएंट्स भी पता चल गए हैं. You know what are the ingredients required for baking a cake? Because in this chapter, everything is written. Okay, you don't need to bake a cake. You just draw a cake in this way, like ma'am has drawn one. आप सभी एक एक केक सुंदर सुंदर बना के दिखाइएगा मैम को. ओके, आई होप this chapter is clear to you all, and in our next video we will solve book exercise. Okay, हम book exercise करेंगे. My dear children, please subscribe the channel to get video at time, and it will remain safe.